of the event. आप सभी शायद उन सभी को जानते होंगे because this is the second year that they are hosting this event. None other than our very own Vaishali Verma and Yash Bhutani. A huge round of applause for them, everyone. Yash and Vaishali. Two hours introduce in their face. This feeling, what should people expect today?
I just want the audience keep on clapping, keep on cheering the girls because they are more nervous. They are coming on stage first time. So obviously cheer them, whistle, bajao, maja karo. That's what we want.
And Vaishali, something, go on.
Nothing. Just support them and enjoy the show. That's what we all want from you guys. So just keep clapping and make them, just rock the stage. I don't want them to get nervous by any means. So just enjoy. That's it.
I'm sure they all are family members and I'm sure you guys gonna support your members, right? यार तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए जोरों से. क्या बात है? So with this, let's call on stage our jury members for the evening. So first we have Dr. Geeta Oberoi, a super talented and beautiful lady who's also managing director of Skin and You Clinic at Diamond Point, who's also our skin partner for the evening. The second we have Mr. Manilal Gala, a very well-known face in print media industry and also a senior journalist of Janmabhoomi Group of newspapers. Thank you so much, sir. So we have a third jury, Mr. Kranti Shanda, a well-known movie producer and a big entrepreneur. A round of applause for Mr. Kranti. Then we have Ms. Bhavna Hemani. Bhavna Hemani is the fame of Kolkata and organizer of Miss and Mrs. Kolkata Gujarati and a partner of Miss and Mrs. India Gujarati. A round of applause for Bhavna Hemani. Then we Mr. Meenal Vakharia, founder of Miss and Mrs. India Gujarati Rajasthani, the only cultural community beauty pageant in whole of India. A round of applause for him, everyone. And then we have our last but not the least jury member, Ms. Gunjan Vijaya. I'm so sorry. Very well known face in serials like Ki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Ki, Kesar, Kasturi, and last scene in Bay India or Colors TV. A round of applause for Gunjan, everyone. Then we have our special invitee, Ms. Ritika Badari. She's a model and come actress. She was seen in LF and also face of Himalaya products and also doing soup in South. She got a round of applause for Ritika, everyone. With this, I would request all the judges to please move forward so that we can do the lighting of the lamp. Thank you so much. With this, I will request all the judges to please be on stage, everyone, so that we can proceed with the national anthem. Thank you so much. And I'll request all the audience to please stand up for national anthem. I think the national anthem makes everyone very proud and it's a very emotional moment for everyone. So Bharat Mata ki! क्या बात है? गणपति बप्पा! क्या बात है? Energy, done, ready? Shall we start? Yes, sir. Shall we start? क्या बात है? Alright. So आज की इवेंट की मैं आपको समरी देते हुए I like to tell you all कि आज की क्या होने वाला है. Round is going to be introduction round. The girls will be introducing themselves. Second round is going to be question answer round, where judges will be asking questions to the contestants. And third round will be the final walk round, जिसके बाद announce होंगे हमारे final winners. Excited? वो हिंदी मोमेंट होता है ना मूवी वाला. कौन सी? मैं यहाँ पे होस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे हो रहा है, तो आप सभी को ऑब्वियसली होता ही होगा. इतना पका लो है बचमा म्यूजिक खरीदा क्या. Okay, so between the rounds you guys will be seeing amazing talent performances by Students of India, which is also organized by Release Vaishali and Yash, which is just happened this year, and also there will be teacher singing performance by Rahil Bangalore. A round of applause will be needed during that time. So moving on, We start with a round one. Round one is divided between two designers. So the first round is by 18 Wire Kurtis, who are also the title sponsors for our today's event. And round two will be by iFashion Boutique. Both the designers will be showcasing their unique designs exclusively designed for 85 Kurti presents Miss and Mrs. Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016. A round of applause for both everyone. So round 1A. Round 1A is by 85 Kurtis, who are also the title sponsors. And for that, I would like to specially thank Mr. Kiran Murwadia, who's the owner of Kurtis, who's handpicked all the Kurtis for today's show. So round of applause for them, and let's start with the first round, everyone. Come on!
I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. One and only broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart.
We have Mr. Kiran Murwadia on stage, everyone. Owner of 18 Fire Kurti brand, who are also the title sponsors for today's evening. They have been a part of our event last year, and they are also a part of our event this year. And we hope to have your support every year with Miss and Mrs. Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani. 18 Fire Kurti is one of the leading manufacturers of kurti in India. They are also available on various e-commerce websites, and they are soon going to enter in the retail industry. A round of applause for him, everyone. Come on. Thank you so much, sir. Let's have all the girls and have their introduction on stage. A round of applause for everyone. Come on.
I'm so lonely, broken girl. I'm so lonely, listen
Hi, this is Miss Nandika Bhavsar and I'm 18 years old and I'm studying FY Thank you.
Hi, my name is Divya Parekh. Miss, my age is 20 and I am professionally preschool teacher. Thank you.
Namaste. I am Miss Dipti Gohil. I am 25-year-old and I am doing fashion technology. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Kejal. I am 23. I am fashion designer. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. I'm Drashti Dantara, 21 years old, and I'm pursuing accessory design. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. I'm Miss Manasvi Mavani. I'm 18 years old and pursuing graduate degree and Bachelor of Commerce. Thank you.
Please, तालियां वागती रहनी चाहिए.
Hello everyone, my name is Arnisha Shah. I am 23 years old and I am a fashion choreographer by profession. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm Miss Radhika Brajesh Mundra, a 20-year-old dance teacher to mentally disabled students and also pursuing CS and law. Thank you.
Hello friends, I'm Miss Nidhi Lalit Vora. I'm 19 years old and I'm pursuing third year in Bachelor of Commerce. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Pooja Doshi, 18 years of age. I am pursuing music and currently a student of HR College. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Miss Jeel Patel and I am 19 and I am into electronics engineering. Thank you. Hello everyone. I am Miss Hani Shah and I am 18 years old. I am pursuing BAF. Thank you.
Kim Cho. I'm Shweta Gangani. I'm 25 years old and I'm still studying interior designing course. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Unati Jekin Rambia, 24 years old, a teacher by profession. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Mrs. Vansri Thakkar, 33 years old, doing marketing and positivity training programs. Thank you so much.
everyone. Myself, Mrs. Namrata Vyas. I'm 26 years old and I'm a beautician by profession. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Mrs. Archana Shah. I am teacher by profession. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that beautiful performance and 18 faculty for that beautiful collection. Round of applause everyone. ઓછું જમીને આવ્યા છો કે અત્યારના તાકાત નથી? શું સીન છે કેવો મને જરાક, કારણ કે ત્યાંથી ઉભો ખરાબ લાગે જરાક. શું કરવું છે, તાળીઓ વગાડશો કે નહીં? વગાડશો કે નહીં? હા, શું વાત છે સર, ગુજરાતી વાળું ફીલ આવવું જોઈએ યાર. નવરાત્રી આવવાની છે, રમવું તો પડે ને બકા. ચલો, આઈ હોપ યુ ગાઈઝ આર હેવિંગ ફન. Yes? Thank you. Okay. હવે આગળ વધતા. Now it is round 1B, which is by iFashion Boutique. So giving you guys an introduction about iFashion Boutique, which is privileged to present you guys their stunning Indian fusion collection during this festive season. Budding designer Bhavna Doshi, along with her designer partner Rupal and Bila Doshi, have worked diligently to present their exclusive and elegant work. They believe that the style is a way to say who we are without having to speak, and I believe that because that makes all of you and everyone here gorgeous and beautiful. The motive behind the collection is that you dream and we create. So are you guys ready for the dreamy ride that we're gonna have now? Are you guys ready for the round B? A round of applause. Come on everyone, we start with a round 1B.
I say, why does it feel so good to be back? Getting what I want, boy. Why does that make you so mad? You see, why does it feel so good to be back? 'Cause if the struggle that you're looking for, oh baby, here I am.
With this, I would like to call on stage Mrs. Bhavna Doshi, owner of iBoutique Fashion. With this, I would like to call on stage our designer partner, Mrs. Rupal Doshi and Meena Doshi. so much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much, girls.
You wanna dance? Let's go. You wanna rock? Let's go. You wanna dance? Let's go. You wanna rock? Let's go.
And now we begin with the introduction round with our first contestant on stage.
Good evening, judges and everyone present over here. I'm Ms. Kritika Desai. By profession, I'm an actor, and I've done my graduation in hotel management. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ms. Pooja Daya. I'm 20 years old. I'm a medical student pursuing dentistry. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. My name is Ms. Ruchi Shah. I'm 20 years old and I'm pursuing my engineering in electronics field. Thank you.
Jai Shri Krishna, everyone. I'm Ms. Bijal Kanani. I'm 18 years old and I'm studying in SYBCom. Thank you.
Hello and good evening, everyone. I am Ms. Urvashi Waghela, a 22-year-old commerce graduate. Thank you and have a beautiful evening.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ms. Janvi Patel. I'm 18 years old and pursuing SYBBI. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Ms. Cheenal Mehta. I'm 19 years old and last year BCom and in fashion designing as well. Thank you.
બધાને મારું નમસ્તે. મારું નામ છે તેજલ અશોક વઢવાના. હું 22 વર્ષની છું અને મેં મારું એવિએશન કોર્સ ફ્રેન્કફિનથી કર્યું છે. તમે બધા આ શો એન્જોય કરો. થેન્ક યુ એન્ડ હેવ અ વન્ડરફુલ ઇવનિંગ.
A very good evening to one and all. I'm Miss Shreya Vyas. I'm 17 studying in FIJC Commerce. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Ms. Jeel Shaw. I'm 23-year-old working with RBS. Thank you.
everyone. My USP, I'd say I have a bubbly and expressive nature that reflects my profession, that is dance. Yes, folks, this is Miss Urvashi Jitendra Chauhan. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Miss Unnati Patel. I am 21 years old and this is my last year in dietitian. Thank you.
Hello friends, this is Avni Kiran Sheth. I am 25 and I am a fashion designer by profession.
Hello friends, I am Miss Jill Varia. I am 19 years old and I am pursuing third year in Bachelor of Commerce. Thank you.
Hello, good evening to all. My name is Dolly Shah. I am 27 years old. I am a beautician by profession. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Rajvi Raurani. I am 22. I just completed my hotel management. Thank you.
A very good evening to everyone. I'm Zeni Sangvi, 18 years old, in my SY from HR College. Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. I am Mrs. Bijal Vora, a 25-year-old Zumba instructor and preschool teacher. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. I am Mrs. Sejal Vora, 27 years old, and I am a company secretary by profession. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Jayashri Parmar. I am 33 years of age and I am a fashion designer. Thank you.
Namaste, Kem Cho. I am Mrs. Purvi Pathak Kapadia, age 34. I am a postgraduate in business administration and entrepreneur by profession. Thank you.
सच्ची सी है ये तारीफें दिल से जो मैंने करी है जो मिला तो सजी है दुनिया मेरी हमदम ओ आसमां मिला ज़मीं को मेरी आधे आधे पूरे हैं हम तेरे नाम पे मेरी जिंदगी लिख दी मेरे हमदम हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना जीना कैसे जीना हाँ सीखा मैंने जीना मेरे हमदम न सीखा कभी जीना जीना कैसे जीना न सीखा जीना तेरे बिना हमदम
Thank you so much, Rahul and Percy, for those beautiful performances. Thank you so much, buddy.
Thank you.
And we have Dr. Ram Barod here. A round of applause for Dr. Ram Barod, everyone. Ram Barod, sir, is BJP corporator. With him, we have Mr. Tejendra Tiwani, BJP Adhyaksh. And we also have Mr. Narendra Vora, who is a Congress Adhyaksh. A round of applause for all three of them, everyone. Thank you so much for coming here and gracing the stage. Sir, please say a few words.
What about today fashion show? Yes, sir. No, congratulations to everyone for arranging today the fashion, because today, nowadays, without fashion, you cannot do. Everyone has to remain perfect in his dress, plus in thought. So we require the fashion in day-to-day life, and today is a great inspiration for everyone, mostly the young people and old people, both the people. So let me congratulate Nirav and everyone to this show.
First of all, I would like to thank you all for inviting us and giving that respect. मैं जब भी मैंने पास देखा तो एक तो नरेंद्र बोरा जी को भी मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ और यश जी का भी मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ. जब मैंने पास देखा तो मैंने देखा गुजराती एंड मारवाड़ी कम्युनिटी लिखा है. तो बीइंग अ सरदार, बीइंग अ सिख, तो आई थॉट कि अगर जब गुजराती और मारवाड़ी कम्युनिटी करते हैं मुझे भी ऐसा कुछ मेरे कम्युनिटी के लिए करना चाहिए. दिस इज एन इंस्पिरेशन दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम हियर एंड आई विल आल्सो डू अ फैशन शो. आई विल इनवाइट यू ऑल इन दैट. Thank you so much again, once again, for inviting me, and hope this type of more and more shows comes up every year, and we are invited in this show. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. અને હવે how many of you કેટલા લોકોને જાણવું છે કે जितने लोग आगे क्वालिफाई हुए हैं, कितने लोग जानना चाहते हैं कि आगे लोग क्वालिफाई कितने हुए हैं? सब लोग जानना चाहते हैं? रियली? बता दूं? आवाज नहीं आ रहा, बताऊं? हाँ, क्या बात है? So the first contestant who's qualified for the next round is Miss Divya Suresh Parekh. તાળીઓ વાગવી જોઈએ યાર, ક્વોલિફાઈ થયા છે. Second contestant is Miss Drashti Tantra. Third contestant is Miss Radhika Mundra. Fourth contestant is Miss Nidhi Lalit Bora. Next contestant is Miss Pooja Doshi. Then we have Mrs. Shweta Gangni. Then we have Mrs. Unnati Rambia. The next contestant is Miss Krutika Desai. Then we have Miss Pooja Daya. Then we have Miss Ruchi Shah. Then we have Miss Bijal Kanani. Then we have Miss Urvashi Waghela. After that we have Miss Janvi Patel. Then we have Miss Jeenal Mehta. Then we have Miss Tejal Wadwana. Then we have Miss Shreya Vyas. After that we have Miss Urvashi Chauhan. Then we have Mrs. Bijal Vora. Then we have Mrs. Sejal Vora. Then we have Miss Jayashri Parmar. And last but not the least, we have Mrs. Purvi Pathak. A round of applause for all the contestants, everyone. All right. So the round 2 is ready. Are you guys excited? क्या बात है, क्या बात है, अच्छी ऑडियंस है यार, मानती हो तुम लोग, आवाज देती हो. So round 2 is divided into 2 parts, and it is presented and sponsored by Shagufta, who is also our co-sponsor for today's evening. Shagufta Garments was established in the year 1979 by Mrs. Jyotsna Kedani, and now it is a leading manufacturer of Indian ethnic and party wear, including designer kurtis and salwar kameez. Shagufta team is headed by our co-founder, Mrs. Jyotsna Kedani, and now the whole family is involved, including the 2 dynamic directors, Mr. Dharmesh Kedani and Alpesh Kedani. So round of applause for our round 2 by Shagufta, everyone. Come on! Ramesh Kibrani, Director of Shagufta Garments, was also our co-sponsors for today's evening. Nishant Dani on stage, everyone. Thank you so much, Shagufta, for the beautiful costume. Thank you so much, Nishant. Thank you so much, all the girls, for that beautiful performance, and Shagufta for the beautiful garments. તાળીઓનો ગડગડાટ ચાલુ રહેવો જોઈએ. So as I said, the second round is going to be question answer round. A सवाल जवाब round है. So our judges, contestant सवाल पूछे and they have to answer. Okay? So moving on, we have our first contestant, Miss Divya Suresh Parekh. A round of applause for Divya Parekh, everyone. And we have our judge, Dr. Geeta Oberoi, who will be asking a question to Divya.
Hi Divya, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
How would you describe your own personality?
By looking natural to everyone and be my own at every moment and every occasion, which I am, not artificial by looking makeup, everything. Be natural as mine. Thank you for the question, Jill.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Divya, and thank you so much, Geeta ma'am. So we have our next contestant, Drashti Dantra. And we have Ms. Bhavna Hemani as a jury member to ask a question.
Very simple question. If you were given the chance to live again, what would it be?
Thank you very much for the question. If I were given a chance to live again, I would definitely want to live the same life that I have lived right now. Because what I am right now is because of the learnings and the experience that I have had. And I'm very proud of what I am today. So I would definitely want to live the same life again. Thank you.
Our next contestant number 8, Ms. Radhika Mundra. We have our jury, Gunjan Vijaya. Please ask a question, ma'am.
Hi Radhika, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
If you were to be isolated on an island and given the chance to bring back 3 things, what would they be?
Well, thank you for the question, ma'am. If I were being isolated in an island, I would definitely try to bring beauty. Beauty, by what? That's the question. It will be ice, definitely. Because isolated in an island, you should get ice, of course. And 3 things. The second would be stones as a remembrance. And third will be getting safe out of there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Then we have our next contestant, Ms. Nidhi Vora. Round of applause for Nidhi Vora, everyone. And then we have our judge, Mr. Kranti Shanbag. Please ask a question, sir.
Hi, Nidhi. So the question is, તમને અગર Prime Minister બનવાનું મળે, political leader, how will you change the country? How will you make the development? How will you make the difference?
ઇફ મને નરેન્દ્ર મોદી બનવા મળ્યું તો હું સૌથી પહેલાં જે સ્ત્રી પુરુષ સમાનતા છે એ હું ઇક્વલી કરીશ. ઇફ ગર્લ્સને જે રાઇટ્સ બોયઝને જે રાઇટ્સ છે એ બધા સેમ ગર્લ્સને પણ હોવા આજના જનરેશન માટે ઇટ્સ ટુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ. સો ફર્સ્ટ થિંગ હું એ ચેન્જ કરવા માંગીશ. અને જે પોવર્ટી ને એ બધું છે આપણા ઇન્ડિયામાં એને હું આઈ મીન એઝ એ નરેન્દ્ર મોદી હું એને ખતમ કરવા માંગીશ. લાઈક થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you so much for that beautiful answer. Then we have contestant number 25, Ms. Jeenal Mehta. Round of applause for Jeenal Mehta, everyone. Then we have our jury member, Mr. Manilal Kala.
I will ask my own question. You are elected Prime Minister of India. What would be your 3 priorities?
Well, thank you for the question. My 3 priorities would be the poverty, firstly. Because people are noticing rich people are getting more rich and poor getting more poor. So I think firstly I would go to poverty, women empowerment that is much needed, and equality. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that answer. Then we have our next contestant number 26, Miss Tejal Wadhwana. Round of applause for Tejal, everyone. Then we have, as a jury member, Meenal Vakharia, sir.
Hi, Tejal.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. What is the impact of participation in this event on your life?
About this event
Yeah.
in my life? Actually, it has made a vast difference as my supporting backbone is my father, which is standing backside. I'm feeling very confident. It made me real good, feeling very better from inside. And I hope I will get more this confidence after this event as well. And I thank you to everyone over here right now. And I'm really nervous. I'm so sorry, but thank you so much.
Thank you, Tejal. Chirag bhai, this event, this Miss and Mrs. Gujarati has been turning point in many people's life, and few of them have joined film industry from our contestants, just starting from on our stage, and they are now film stars. So
I think that's really a huge difference that people have made in their lives with Miss and Mrs. Gujarati, India. Thank you so much for this event, sir. So moving on, we have our next contestant, who is contestant number 27, Ms. Shreya Vyas. Round of applause for Shreya, everyone. And we have our jury, Dr. Geeta Oberoi.
Good evening, Shreya.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
Very good.
Good. What are the sacrifices you have made to be a part of this pageant?
Honestly, like the timings and stuff didn't match at all. So I have bunked each and every day my college, my classes, have compromised with my studies. But then I used to study at night because I have my exams coming on. And I have worked really hard. I've watched various fashion shows that how do they walk, how do they pose and stuff. And I've compromised with my sleep and I've worked really hard.
Okay, I hope you win. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shreya. Thank you so much, ma'am. Then we have our next contestant number 29, Ms. Urvashi Chauhan. Round of applause for Urvashi, everyone. And then we have a jury member, Ms. Bhavna Hemani.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Nervous?
No? Confident?
Confident. The question is, what has been your greatest achievement till now?
Thank you, ma'am, for your question. My greatest achievement till now is this show because Gujarati for me and my family gives a big origin for me. I've achieved many things in life because of only my parents. They are my backbone. They always support me. Even if the world is if the world not support me. So biggest achievement for me is this show. I really thank Miss and Mrs. Gujarati for having me over here and to compete between these beautiful ladies. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So we have our next contestant, Mrs. Bijal Vora. A round of applause for Mrs. Bijal Vora, everyone. And we have Ms. Gunjan Vijay as a jury to ask questions.
Hi, Bijal. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
What is your take on marriage today?
Ma'am, I believe marriage is a very special bond shared between two people. I personally am very blessed to have a husband like my husband.
Is he here?
Yes, he is right there behind you.
Can I see him, please?
Yes. Avinash, can you please stand?
Oh, you've got a very beautiful wife, I must tell you. And I mean, I'm really thankful to you that you're sitting here today and supporting her like this. I think you guys should give him a big, big, big round of applause.
Coming back to marriage, yes, it is definitely a special bond between two people. You learn a lot of caring, sharing, compromising, yet loving each other more and more with each passing day. Thank you so much.
That's beautiful. For how long are you married?
He was my senior in college and love marriage. So yeah, it's been quite some time now.
Quite some time, okay. Lovely to see you still in love with each other like this.
I'm definitely in love with him.
No, I can see that.
Till eternity.
Oh, lovely. Huge round of applause for that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that answer. And ma'am, जो हूँ लग्न विषय बे शब्द कहूँ तो चाले?
हिंदी में प्लीज.
हिंदी में? ओके. मैं शादी पे अगर दो शब्द कहूँ तो चलेगा?
बिल्कुल.
क्या बात है? सो जो शादी को अगर हम डिफाइन करने जाए तो सिर्फ इतनी सी एक लाइन कहूंगा, जब तुम और मैं ये दो शब्द छोड़कर जब हम बनकर चलेंगे तभी वो शादी कंप्लीट होगी.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे.
मतलब आप बोलो, मेरा पूरा theoretical है.
नहीं, मुझे पता है अब तुम 3 साल क्यों ले रहे हो. अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे.
Do you think I'll progress?
I think you will. All the best though.
वैसे लाइन शादी से पहले हर लड़कों की होती है.
Exactly sir. क्योंकि करनी होती है ना. तभी तो लोग हाँ बोलते हैं. Okay, we have a next contestant. Contestant number 21, Ms. Ruchi Shah. Ruchi Shah on stage, everyone. Round of applause for her. We have Mr. Kranti Shanwag as a jury to ask questions.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Fine,
sir. I'm going to ask something which is out of the box. So, can you tell me who has invented this dokla?
Obviously, a Gujarati.
Somebody. So, there's no name. I'm like, so it was not a question.
Yeah.
So, I'll ask the question again out of the box.
All right.
So, you need to tell me 2 qualities, good and bad, about the host who's anchoring the show. I need to know 2 good qualities and 2 bad qualities. So I'm stressing it on 2 bad qualities also, okay?
I have met this anchor in my pre-event, and I will definitely say one good quality about him is he can make everybody laugh and smile all around. And second good quality about him is his anchoring skills, the way with which he's interacting with all the audience and making each and everyone happier. All right, so these were your 2 qualities and 2 good qualities. I won't mind. All right, your 2 bad qualities. Well, I don't know him. I don't know I have not met him since long, so I don't know what his bad quality is. But yes, he cracks PJ very often. That is it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. क्या बात है सर. खबर नहीं पड़ी सू रिएक्ट करूं. Okay, then we have a contestant number 37, Mrs. Sejal Vora. Round of applause for Sejal Vora, everyone. Then we have Mr. Manilal Gala to ask question.
Hi Tejal, how are you?
Hello sir, I'm Sejal.
As you are taking part in Gujarati Miss and Mrs. India, okay? So tell me honestly whether you read Gujarati newspaper or magazine, if yes or if no.
Gujarati, actually I'm from Calcutta. So there we had Halchal, the Gujarati magazine. I used to read there, Halchal, but I used to mostly see the pictures and the pre-event shows.
But you don't read.
I used to read a bit, whatever is important to me, whatever I feel is important to me, and ladies, especially women.
But you haven't learned in Gujarati, right?
No, I am a Gujarati.
Okay. You had a subject.
Yeah, I had a subject, and let me tell you, I got 90% in 10.
Oh, lovely, good.
Thank you so much for that answer. Thank you so much for that question, sir. We have our next contestant, contestant number 22, Ms. Bijal Kanani. Round of applause for Bijal, everyone. And then we have Mr. Meenal Wakharia as a jury to ask questions.
If not you, then what would you like to be in your next birth?
Good evening, everyone. J.C. Krishna. So this question is pretty, I can say pretty, very much confusing for me, because in this birth I have an aspiration to become a model and fulfill my mom's dream. So first of all, I want to complete this birth's dream, and then if I talk about my next birth, so the first thing is that I want to get born in the same family, because I'm blessed with a very good family. So I want a good family, and then I think my next birth would have, again, modeling and studies as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Then we have contestant number 23, Ms. Urvashi Waghela. Round of applause for Urvashi, everyone. And we have Dr. Geeta Oberoi to ask a question.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll just change this a bit. What do you think is the most important quality of yours that will help you win this pageant?
Thank you so much for your question, ma'am. I have always dreamt of walking on the ramp. Today, I think I have fulfilled my dreams, and I think that one best quality I have is I have a confidence in me. I have a beautiful smile. That's all I believe that I am deserving to win this contest. Thank you.
We have Our next contestant number 24, Ms. Janvi Patel. Round of applause for Janvi, everyone. And we have Ms. Bhavna Hemani to ask a question.
Good evening, Janvi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Nervous, you looking nervous. I won't make you nervous. Simple question, other than you, out of all the girls standing on this stage, who do you think is the eligible for the crown?
A bit confusing question, actually.
You are...
I guess Mrs. Bijal.
Mrs. Bijal.
Yes.
Can I see the Mrs. Okay.
She is very confident
And then
enough. Miss, obviously me.
Other than you.
Other than me, Jeenal Mehta.
She's your friend?
Yes.
Okay.
That's why.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank you for the question.
Thank you so much. Then we have contestant number 10, Ms. Pooja Doshi. On stage, round of applause for Pooja, everyone. Then we have our jury, Gunjan Vijaya, to ask a question. Please, ma'am.
Hi, Pooja. Good evening.
Hi, good evening.
It's a very simple question. With which famous personality do you see yourself parallel with?
I think Shreya Ghoshal or Sunidhi Chauhan.
Do you sing?
Yes.
Could we please have you singing?
Sure. Old song is fine.
Anything's good.
हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो.
You've got a beautiful voice, beautiful.
Thank you so much for that beautiful performance. And she does have a beautiful voice. Round of applause for her, everyone. Okay. We have contestant number 30, Mrs. Shweta Gangani. Am I pronouncing your surname right?
No, it's Gangani.
Gangani. Dhyan rakis next time. Okay. We have Mr. Kranti Shanbag to ask a question.
Hi, Shweta Gangani.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so the question is, who in your opinion is doing a more important job? A housewife or a career woman? I repeat, you want? Who in your opinion is doing a more important job, a housewife or a career woman?
As I think both are equally and important in my life because we have to balance house also and my whatever I'm working it is. So we are women, so we have the power that we can balance both the things, not like boys.
No, but
They cannot
who's-
manage.
no,
They
but-
cannot manage
but
house.
Who's doing more important role? If
No,
they're
no,
that-
both are equal.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much for that beautiful answer. Then we have contestant number 14, Mrs. Unnati Rambia. Mrs. Unnati ke liye जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. Then we have Mr. Manilal Gala to ask a question.
Hi, Ramya, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I have a very nice question for you. I think this is really tremendous. Who do you think is the sexiest man alive today?
My husband. He has always been supportive no matter what. Everything, whatever I do, he is always behind me. So I feel he's the support.
Who is he?
He's Jekin Rambia.
Oh, great.
I owe him everything.
Thank you so much for that answer. ને સાહેબ લાગ્યું નહીં સવાલ થોડો રોંગ જગ્યા પર પૂછાઈ ગયો. આમની સામે બીજાનું નામ ક્યાંથી લે? બહુ વાંધો નહીં. પાછળ બેક સ્ટેજ. તું નહીં આવતો. Thank you. All right. We have our next contestant number 19, and her name is Miss Kritika Desai. Round of applause for Kritika, everyone. And then we have Mr. Manilal Vakharia to ask a question. Meenal Vakharia, my bad, sir.
Love or arranged marriage, which one for you?
I would say it works both, but the better one is, I think, love marriage.
because you know, before the marriage, you all just discuss entire things, like where we have to balance and how do we take our life ahead in a happily mode.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the question, sir.
Mind if I continue with the question for a minute? Do you think that it is really like you know the person before getting married totally? Don't you think that compatibility is different from love?
It is different. But then it depends from how long are you knowing the person. It depends on the year and depends how understanding do you all have.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that beautiful answer. Round of applause for her, everyone. Then we have contestant number 20, Ms. Pooja Daya. Round of applause for Pooja, everyone. Then we have Dr. Geeta Oberoi to ask a question. Please, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening,
I'm
ma'am.
just changing this a bit for you. What are the values that are most important that Indian women have and you think are very important in comparison to the values that were there in the previous generations and the generation today? Has the value system changed in the generations?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. I think the values, they are going to remain the same, whether the generation, but the thing is that the mind thoughts, they change. In the previous days, women, they were not allowed to work, or they were just allowed to work. They were not given the permission to work outside or something. And now in this generation, women are more career oriented, which is a good value or a quality which I think they should have. And rest, all the means values, they are going to remain the same, whether it's a just the generation changes and the thoughts, they change.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that beautiful answer. Then we have contestant number 39, Mrs. Purvi Pathak on stage. Round of applause for Purvi, everyone. And we have Ms. Bhavna Himani to ask a question.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. According to you, how would you describe women empowerment?
Thank you for that lovely question. And I think women empowerment is very important in today's age and generation because woman is the one who sets an example for the kids. As a mother, I want to set an example for my daughter that women can work outside also and manage the house also. So I would like to say that I'm a 360-degree woman who likes to balance her personal as well as professional life.
Nice.
Thank you. Thank you, lovely audience, for the applause. And I feel more and more women should be educated and they should be allowed to go out of their house and work. Thank you.
Very good. Nice.
Thank you so much for that beautiful answer. And I really agree with her that more and more women should be educated because the women are the one who's going to be home most of the times, more than men. At least I feel the kids are more affected towards women, towards their mother. અને જેટલી વધારે સ્ત્રીઓ ભણશે એટલા વધારે સારા ગુણ એટલા આપણા છોકરાઓમાં આવશે અને બાય છોકરાઓ I don't mean only boys, I also mean girls because nowadays people have started thinking કે યાર તમારા છોકરાઓને હાથમાં રાખો તો છોકરીઓ સારી રહેશે, which I feel is not a right thing. I'm so sorry if you find me wrong at some point of time here. This is a beauty pageant, all the girls are here, but I feel it's not just boys who are wrong. That people need to be in their, not just their comfort zone, but in their limits, everyone should be there. And I really appreciate, if you all appreciate the thought. I don't know how many of you all agree or not. I'm so sorry if I've hurt everyone or offended anyone here. I'm so sorry. Then we have our the last contestant, contestant number 38, Ms. Jayashree Parmar. And we have Ms. Gunjan Vijaya to ask a question.
Hi, Jayashree. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
It's a very, very simple question. How do you see yourself in the next 15 years? And where?
Thank you for the question. In the next 15 years, I would see myself as a successful woman and also healthy and happy and living life peacefully and spreading happiness around me everywhere and also spreading awareness of fitness also around me.
So successful as in the line of just fitness,
yes.
you're related to the fitness
Yes,
field?
fitness, yoga.
All right, lovely, lovely.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that beautiful answers. And thank you so much, judges, for those beautiful questions. And now we have another round, which will be ahead. So thank you so much. And now we have Mr. Niket Mehta, CEO of Bright Outdoor Media, on stage, please. And to felicitate him, we have
Mr. Yash Bhuptani to come on stage. Please, Yash. They give few words for today's event.
Hi everyone, good evening. I must say this is fantastic event and work done by Yashbhai is very good, wonderful. And I must say you should have 2, 3 in a year. So it will be like, everyone getting chance. And I can see that few of them are ready for movie. So I don't know, Kranti must be taking for Gujarati movie or something. So it's wonderful. Good job.
Thank you so much again. Thank you so much, Yash. તો હવે જો ગુજરાતીઓ અહીંયા હોય અને જો ગુજરાતીઓ વિશે બે શબ્દ ન કહો તો કઈ રીતે ચાલે? રાઈટ? સાચું ને? તો જોરથી બોલો, સાચું કે નહીં? એક્ઝેક્ટલી. તો ગુજરાતીઓ માટે જે સૌથી પ્રખ્યાત વસ્તુ છે, જો હું બે શબ્દમાં ગાઈશ, બે શબ્દમાં તો જરાય નહીં ગાઉં કારણ કે ગળો તો બહુ જ ખરાબ છે ગાવા માટે, પણ કહીશ કે લાંબો ડગલો મૂછ વાકડી શ્રે પાઘડી રાતી બોલ બોલ તો તોડી તોડી હું છેલ છબીલો ગુજરાતી, હું છેલ છબીલો ગુજરાતી, તન ખોટું ને મન મોટું છે ખમીરવંતી જાતિ, બોલ બોલ તો તોડી તોડી હું છેલ છબીલો ગુજરાતી, હું તા થૈયા 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 થઈ. શું વાત છે, જોરદાર તાળીઓ થઈ જાય બધા જ ગુજરાતીઓ માટે અહીંયા. હા, અઘરો છે કોણ? હું. ગરબા રમતા આવડે તમને? આવો. I'm very serious. हाँ? आओ आओ आज तो कंपटीशन થઈ જાય. Do we have गरबा? हाँ? भाई बजा दे थोड़ा सा फास्ट ट्रैक. हजी एक आओ आओ प्लीज. I'm very serious right now. શું શરમાઓ છો? આવો ને. તમારે છોકરી છે? હે? તો વાંધો નહીં. ના ના પ્લીઝ મેમ, પ્લીઝ કમ ઓન સ્ટેજ. પ્લીઝ એક નાનો મ્યુઝિક વગાડીએ. ભાઈ ગુજરાતીઓ ત્યારે જ એક્સાઇટ થાય જ્યારે મ્યુઝિક વાગે, તો પ્લીઝ મ્યુઝિક વાગે એના પછી જ બધા સ્ટેજ પર આવશે. બાકી કેટલા લોકો અહીંયા છે who all can come on stage and let's have a garba fight right now. Let's have a garba competition. How many? મને 4 લોકો સ્ટેજ પર જોઈએ હમણાં જ. 4 લોકો પ્લીઝ આવી જાઓ. I will not come there. Please come. We have Hetal Sagar here. Please come on Hetal. કીધું તું ને બધા ઝરક બદોડા છે. જેવા ગરબા કહેશું આખું ગ્રાઉન્ડ ભરાઈ જશે. આ તો હજી અડધા કંટ્રોલ કરે છે. ના ના બેસ. કેટલા લોકો છે? બેસ. હા ને, સાચી વાત છે ને, વાંધો નહીં. હવે આના પછી આવું નહીં કોઈએ પ્લીઝ. એક્સેપ્ટ અહીંયા બેન જેને ફોર્સ કરે છે, કારણ કે ખરાબ લાગે નહીં ફોર્સ કરતા ને ન બોલાવીએ તો. આવો, ના પડાય મારે. ઓકે, સો આપણે એક જ રાઉન્ડમાં રમશું બધા. એન્ડ તમે લોકો ધ જજીસ આર હિયર. ઓકે, so whoever you are like, you just have to point out, okay, including me, કારણ કે હું પણ આમાં ગરબા રમીશ. હું પણ પાકો ગુજરાતી છું. ઓકે, મ્યુઝિક. મારા પાતળિયા ગોરા દેહો લડકાઈ જોડે રે જોરા, મારા પાતળિયા ગોરા દેહો લડકાઈ જોડે રે જોરા.
Thank you.
માત કી શું વાત છે अच्छा वाउचर्स नहीं જોઈતા કોઈને तो વાંધો નહીં प्लीज सभी लोग यहाँ पे खड़े रह जाए आउट ऑफ द जजेस whom do you think in girls is the winner
फ्रैंकली नहीं देखा लड़कियों को 4 जो अच्छे लड़के डांस कर रहे थे ना लड़कियों को देखा ही नहीं
સારું છે આને અમે છોકરીઓને બહુ બધી પ્રાઇઝ મળવાની ઈચ્છા છે ઓકે she is saying there is a winner yeah the last guy so you think is the winner yay what's your name buddy
Amar Trivedi.
Amit Trivedi. Amar Trivedi. Round of applause for Amar everyone. You get a voucher.
Thank you, ma'am. મારી એક રિક્વેસ્ટ છે મારી વાઈફને થોડું રેમ્પ વોક કરવું છે so is that okay? She has a dream to walk. So please Trupti come. Trupti. Thank you so much.
और जब तक मिस्टर एंड मिसेस त्रिवेदी रेडी होते हैं let us say another winner who's he who check shirt आजा बढ़िया आ गया था what's your name
Virag Dubal
Virag this is your prize buddy congratulations all right મજા આવી અવાજ ના આવ્યો મજા આવી શું વાત છે thank you so much everyone મજા પડી ગઈ હાશ શાંતિ થઈ હે થેન્ક યુ સો મચ સર આ તો શું મેં વિચાર્યું હતું કોઈ કહેશે પણ તમે કહી દીધું સારું લાગ્યું મને હવે આગળ વધતો કહું છું ઓકે સો વી હેવ અ નેક્સ્ટ પરફોર્મન્સ by winner of Super Kids India which is also organized by Qnox Advertisement our very own Vaishali and Yash so we have Navya Shah on stage a round of applause for Navya Shah everyone
राम जी की कृपा
of applause for that cute performance, Navya. Hi.
Hi.
Did you enjoy? आपको मजा आया?
Yes.
Okay, आप कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में हो?
Senior KG.
Senior KG. Which school?
Janki Devi Public School.
Janki Devi Public School. Round of applause for Janki Devi Public School. Okay, आपको कोई पोएम आती है?
हाँ.
कौन सी वाली बोलोगे?
Froggy, froggy.
Okay, चलो.
Froggy, froggy, come out to play. Forest is rainy day, dear mawsam siya. Froggy aisa din aaya. Froggy, froggy, go to school. Forest is rainy day, dear mawsam siya. Froggy aisa din aaya.
Done? Yeah, round of applause for her, everyone. And आप में से किसको लगता है that I should give her this voucher? Yes? क्या बात है? Congratulations, baby. आपको ये वाउचर मिलता है.
क्या?
आपको ये वाउचर मिला है. आपकी गिफ्ट है ये. आपको कुछ बोलना है गिफ्ट मिला तो.
Gift के लिए thank you.
Oh, thank you so much for that beautiful performance. चलो. Thank you. अब आपको जा सकते हो. Oh yes, 2025. Soon. So moving on, we have our makeup partner, Nikita Dave, our makeup and hair partner for the show. All these girls you see on stage are looking beautiful because of none other than Nikita Dave. A round of applause for Nikita, everyone. And we have Yash to felicitate Nikita. Yash, please come on stage. And this is a small video of Nikita's work. Beautiful work, Nikita. So what do you have to say? આજની સાંજ માટે બે શબ્દ.
હેલો હા આજના ઇવેન્ટ માટે મને આટલો મોટો સરસ ભાગ લેવા મળ્યો છે એની માટે હું બહુ જ ખુશ છું અને સ્પેશિયલી થેન્ક્સ ટુ માય ટીમ જે મારા ટીમ લોક છે એ લોકોના સપોર્ટ અને મારા ફેમિલી સપોર્ટ વગર હું આગળ આ વસ્તુ ના કરી શકત.
I want the team to come on stage for a minute. Come on everyone, have fast. एक ग्रुप फोटो हो जाए. And we also want Mr. Rajesh Dave to come on stage. He's Nikita Dave's husband. Mr. Rajesh Dave. Thank you so much, team. Thank you so much for that beautiful makeup and show. Thank you so much. So with that, I would like to give you all an idea about our sponsors for tonight. Our title sponsor, 18 Fire Kurtis. Special thanks to Mr. Kirit Morwadia. Co-sponsored by Shagufta. Skin partner, Skin & You Clinic. Designer partner, iFashion Boutique and Charmi Shah. App partner, MII Mobile App. Special thanks to Mr. Kranti Shanbag. Hair and makeup partner, Nikita Bridal Studio. Special thanks to Miss Nikita. We have a print partner, Janmabhoomi. Special thanks to Mr. Manilal Gala and Shri Kundan Vyas. We have television partner, Soham Channel. Special thanks to Mr. Jasmine Bhai Shah. Pre-event venue partner, Club Yo-Yo at Andheri West. And we have our venue partner, Golden Leaf Banquet. And special thanks to Mr. Arbit Thakkar for the same. Round of applause for all our sponsors, everyone. Now we have, the last round बच्चों से. Are you all excited? क्या बात है. आप चाहते हो कि मैं last round अभी चालू कर दूं? क्यों नहीं वो चालू करो तो सीधो केवा नहीं ने लोवाणो છું અંતે આડો થાઓ હા જો Okay, our last round is presented by Charmi Shah. Charmi Shah as a brand has been launched in this February. It's a very short period of time where she's achieved her fame. She's an upcoming talent in the fashion world. All her designs are about to cuts and different falls perfectly crafted and designed for the youth today. She's loved by many from the glamour world too. She has a lot of clients from the glamour world as well. So moving towards, do you guys want me to start the last round? So here we begin the last round for the evening. A huge round of applause for all our contestants, everyone. Now we have Charmi Shah herself on stage. A round of applause for Charmi Shah, everyone. Come on. Round of applause for Charmi Shah, everyone. Thank you so much, Charmi, for those beautiful designs. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you so much, girls, for that amazing performance, and Charmi for those beautiful designs. A round of applause for all of them, everyone, once again. And now, moving on, the result sheets will be collected from the judges, and the winner will be announced soon. Su lage chhe? Kon jeet se? Okay, I have 3 vouchers by Shagufta, but for winning this, आप सभी को एक टास्क करना होगा. यहां से कितनों के मोबाइल में 3G या 4G है, इंटरनेट अवेलेबल है एज ऑफ नाउ? सारे हाथ ऊपर करें. आप में से कितने लोग फेसबुक पर हो? ओके, सो ऑन फेसबुक वी हैव आवर फेसबुक पेज मिस एंड मिसेस मुंबई गुजराती राजस्थानी, एंड द फर्स्ट 3 person who likes the page and comes here, they get a voucher. So your time starts now. Come on everyone, music. Miss and Mrs. Please come on stage then. Miss and Mrs. Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani. Please come on stage ASAP. Then you all get the voucher. Oh, it's already like then you don't get. This is not done. Come on, please come, please come. Oh. Agru, thank you. Tranach voucher bachya se. Thank you, ma'am, for happily absconding from your. We are privileged right now. I'm so sorry. Huh? So what? એટલે જ તમે આ ફાઉન્ડ કર્યું છે, મેમ, મને ખબર પડી ગઈ હવે. Alright, now you guys have another challenge again. આમ આવી જા હવે. ના હવે 4 થયા ને. So whoever does the best walk out of them, so 3 of them get a voucher. All right, so आप चारों ready हैं? So we start from you first, second, third and fourth. Okay, सभी लोग साइड पर आ जाए, and we want music, so you guys have to do a walk. Come on, round of applause for them, everyone. Come on, cheer up कीजिए उन्हें. आप में से कौन लगता है, आप लोग कौन लगता है कौन जीता इनमें से? So we have your name.
Anisha.
Anisha, how many of you all think Anisha should get the voucher? आवाज आनी चाहिए. All right. Sir, your name?
Jakin. Jakin.
Jakin. How many of you think he should win a voucher? Equal છે. Sir, તમારું નામ?
जीतू चौहान.
जीतू चौहान को मिलना चाहिए. आप में से कितना को लगता है? तेरा नाम भाई?
आशीष
आशीष
परमार.
Ashish Parmar. How many of you think that Ashish Parmar should get a voucher? भाई ये तो हद हो गई. मतलब एक्सट्रीम लेवल चॉप होता है ये तो. कोई नहीं होता है. And congratulations, you all three of you get a voucher. Congratulations. Bye. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone. Sir, Kirit sir ની રિક્વેસ્ટ છે કે તમે પણ સ્ટેજ પર આવો. Kirit sir ની રિક્વેસ્ટ છે તમે પણ સ્ટેજ પર આવો. Round of applause for them everyone. Come on. They are co-sponsors for today's evening. Shagufta. Sir, आज की शाम के लिए 2 शब्द. आज की सांझ में.
First, I would like to thanks to all this beautiful girls who have carried out our outfits so beautifully, and thanks to my team and all the judges and making this thing happen. Thanks to you guys as well.
Thank you so much for all your support, sir. Thank you so much. Round of applause for our title sponsor 185 Kurti and co-sponsors Shagufta. Round of applause for them everyone. Come on. But they had to play a picture on the so they had to put a picture on Facebook, and with the one with the maximum likes wins. So we have our winners here. But to give away the gifts to them, I would like to call Mr. Kirit Morwadia and Dharmesh Dani on stage. With that, I would like to call Mrulani Shah from Preeti's Design on stage, please. Round of applause for all three of them, everyone. So the winner for Miss Selfie contest. Any idea who is the winner for Miss Selfie contest for 2016? Yes, the winner is Miss Radhika Mundra. Radhika Mundra on stage, please. Round of applause for Radhika, everyone. We have 3 gifts from Charmi Shah, 185 Kurtis, and our co-sponsor Shagufta. Congratulations, Radhika. And please wait there, I would like to interact with you for a minute. And the winner for Mrs. Selfie contest is, any guesses? Obviously, sabhi ko pata hai. Mrs. Bijal Vora on stage, please. Round of applause for Bijal, everyone. Congratulations, Bijal. And we have a gift from Charmi Shah, fashionably defined, 8-in-fire kurtis, and Shagufta. And please, Vijay, please wait there for a minute. I would like to interact, please. And we also had another contest which says Miss and Mrs. Popular. So the winner for Mrs. Popular is, any idea? Guess. और कोई नाम? यहाँ से पूर्वी आ रहा है. Any other name? Okay, so the winner for Mrs. is Mrs. Purvi Pathak on stage. Purvi Pathak. Round of applause for Purvi, everyone. And we have gift vouchers from Charmi Shah Fashion Redefined, 18-5 kurtis, and Shagufta. Purvi, please wait there. I would like to interact with you. And till the time I tell you who's the winner for Miss Popular, I would like to ask a question. So Radhika, how are you feeling right now?
Good, great, awesome.
What do you think the result is going to be?
It's clear cut, it's me.
Kya baat hai? Round of applause for Radhika, everyone. I like that. All right, Bijal. What do you have to say for today's evening?
It was a lovely evening, lovely audience. Thank you so much for sitting here. And actually, we were testing your patience, you know. Changing, coming, performance. I think as a contestant, I had a lovely time. I hope you guys as an audience had a lovely time too. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Bijal. And we have Mrs. Purvi Pathak. So Purvi, what do you have to say for today's evening?
I'm privileged one to be part of this evening, and I'm winning a lot of friends over here, and a good experience, and a lovely audience, including honorable judges. So it was a lovely evening. Thank you.
So Purvi, do you think you're gonna win today?
May the best person win, and I think I did really well, so I'm hoping for the best.
And we hope that you also win. Round of applause for Purvi, everyone. Congratulations all the three winners. And we have Radhika again as Miss Popular. Round of applause for Radhika, everyone. So, you have the vouchers. I'll hold them. Mohillo ne band kari. Congratulations to all three of you. And thank you so much our sponsors for the beautiful gifts. Thank you so much, sir. Congratulations, girls. Chalo yaar. एक random, because if in the Miss category, आप लोगों को कौन लगता है कि जीतेगा कोई? And give me a genuine and a very loud answer, okay? Who guys do you think will win the Miss contest for Mumbai, Gujarati, Rajasthani 2016? Loud. I'm hearing Urvashi from your. And anyone else? Janvi. Tejal. Acha. Hamna ja gaya? So achhe. Okay. And whom do you think will win from Mrs. category? Very, very ekdam similar answer of Bijal and Purvi. Let's see. Let's hope that the best person wins. And before we announce our event, I would like to call our jury member, Mr. Kranti Shanbag, on stage, sir. Please come. Mr. Kranti Shanbag has a movie coming up, Sardar Saab, which is co-produced by Mika Singh, and movie is gonna come soon. A round of applause for Mr. Kranti Shanbag, everyone.
Bravo, DJ, bravo,
sir.
DJ.
Jackie Shroff is a Guju. I hope you all know them. He's Jackie. So I believe he's looking fantastic. He's playing a Sardar role. In the beginning, I was telling you, Gujarati industry has to grow. Just one more thing to add. I got quite a lot of friends in the serial industry or producer and director. So whenever I ask them, उनको एक ही चीज बोलते हैं, अगर हमारा सीरियल गुजरात में हिट हुआ ना, तो मतलब हिट है वो. मतलब इतने ज़्यादा लोग सीरियल, मतलब आप लोग इतने ज़्यादा सीरियल देखते हो, उतनी ज़्यादा मूवी देखना शुरू करो, तो आपकी भी मूवियाँ आएंगी. Please, just a thought, so I'm sharing with you. Thank you.
और अब finally, the moment is here. So winners are going to be declared. Excited? Yes, excited? क्या बात है? We have Yash here. Round of applause for Yash, everyone. क्योंकि result उसके हाथ में, तो तालियां बजानी पड़ेगी. Okay, Yash. And we also have Vaishali here. All right, Yash and Vaishali, the mic is yours.
I would first request all the girls to come on stage. All the girls to line up on stage. So how was the show? How was my anchor? How was the show? That's awesome. That's awesome. So now we'll be declaring Miss, Mrs. Mumbai, Gujarati, Rajasthani 2016. अरे मेरे मुंह से धूप निकलता है, वो आता है क्या इसमें? All the girls.
All right. भाई म्यूजिक बजा तू कितने अक्रोच हुए ना डीजे पर. So the results are here. Okay. आप सभी के सामने यहाँ पर कंटेस्टेंट्स खड़े हैं. एक जोरदार तालियां हो जाए इन सारे कंटेस्टेंट्स के लिए, हमारे सारे जूरी मेंबर्स के लिए.
Yash or Vaishali, because of them, today's event was possible. Round of applause for all of them, everyone. Come on, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. अरे हमें, I would like to call Miss Gunjan Vijay on stage to give away prize for Miss Second Runner-Up winner. Round of applause for Gunjan, everyone. I don't know how much do you like me talking on stage?
You want me to be really honest?
No.
Okay, fine. Then I'll just keep quiet.
Thank you so much. What do you have to say for today's evening? Whom do you think will be the winner?
I think my mind is a little confused now because I have two favorites. One I had mentioned before and another one now being right here. I'm totally in love with your personality and the way you carry yourself. I mean, I'm not trying to discourage any of you all. You all were equally good, but वो होता है ना कभी-कभी किसी का लक थोड़ा ज़्यादा चलता है, so जिसका भी चलेगा. But all you girls, I must tell you that you girls have done a great job. Please keep it up. Whoever wins doesn't win. एक मौका मिला है. Don't give up now over here. There's a long way to go, so this should be your first step for that long way, right? Give a big round of applause for all of you all now.
Before we give away our first prize, I would request all the jury members to please come on stage so that we can have a last photograph with all the finale contestants. I request all the jury members to come on stage, please. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, all the juries.
And the winner for the second runner-up in the Miss category is Miss Urvashi Chauhan.
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it, bravo, a champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows Chris Gayle is a champion. Dini a champion, Bounty a champion, Marshall is a champion, Bunji is a champion, Pollard is a champion, Lara is a champion, Gayle is a champion. Don't forget Michael Jordan, Obama a champion, Mandela a champion, Serena a champion, Wendy a champion, Shelly a champion, 958 Bolt a champion. Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it, bravo a champion, 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 champion.
I'll again request Mr. Kirit Morwadia, Dharmesh Dani, and Charmi Shah to come on stage to give away the gifts to the winner. And gift from Charmi Shah to our winner, Ms. Urvashi. Then we have a gift from Shagufta, our co-sponsor for today's evening, and our title sponsor, 18 Fat Kurtis. A round of applause for Urvashi, everyone. And we request you to have a final walk, Urvashi. The winner's walk. Jojo તાળીઓ થઈ જાય ઉર્વશી માટે, everyone. Thank you so much, Ms. Gunjan. Thank you so much. I request our sponsors to be on stage. Second runner-up in Mrs. category. For that, I would like to call Mr. Kranti Shanbag on stage, sir. And the winner is...
The winner is Jayashri Parmar.
Champion, 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 champion.
Congratulations, Jayashri, for winning second runner-up under Mrs. Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016. Congratulations, Jayashri. We also have gifts from our sponsors. We have gifts from Charmi Shah, Fashion Redefined,
18-file kurtis, a title sponsor for today's evening, and a co-sponsor Shagufta. Congratulations, Jayashri, and have your final winning walk. A round of applause for Jayashri, everyone. Thank you so much, Kranti sir. Please. Now we have Miss First Runner-Up category, and for that I would like to call on stage Mrs. Geeta Oberoi. Please come on stage, ma'am.
And the first runner-up is Miss Urvashi Waghela.
Champion, 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 champion. Everybody knows it, bravo, a champion.
Congratulations to Urvashi for winning first runner-up under Miss category. We also have gifts from Charmi Shah, Fashion to Define, 18-file kurtis, who are our title sponsors, and by co-sponsor Shagufta. And have your final winning walk. Round of applause for her, everyone. Thank you so much, Geeta ma'am. Thank you. Now I would like to announce under Mrs. category the first runner-up, and for that I would like to call on stage Mr. Manilal Gala. Mr. Manilal Gala on stage. Round of applause for Mr. Manilal Gala, everyone. The first runner-up.
Guess who will be? Mrs. Sejal Vora.
Champion, 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 champion.
Congratulations, Sejal. Round of applause for Sejal, everyone. Come on. And we have our gift partners by Charmi Shah, Fashion Redefined. Our title sponsors, 18-file kurtis. And our co-sponsor for tonight, Shagufta. Congratulations. And have your final winning walk, Sejal. Come on. Round of applause for her, everyone. Come on. And congratulations. With this, I would like to call on stage Mr. Meenul Wakharia and Bhavna Hemani. And they're gonna give away Mrs. under the category, the winner for Mrs. Mumbai, Gujarati Rajasthani 2016.
For winners, I would like to say कि आपको कितने भी gifts मिले, but this crown and the sash will be remembered throughout your life. So you should respect both the things. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And the winner under Mrs. category is, any idea, everyone? Bijal Vora. Congratulations, Bijal. You are the winner of Mrs. Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016. By title sponsors 18-file kurtis and by co-sponsors Shagufta.
Congratulations, Bijal. Have your final winning work. Round of applause for Bijal, everyone. All right. And finally, the last category, Miss Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016. Any idea who is it going to be? 19. All right, for that, I would like to call Vaishali and Yash on stage. Round of applause for Vaishali and Yash, everyone. All right. So, the winner.
The winner for Miss Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016 is contestant number 19, Krutika Desai. Miss Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016. Krutika Desai.
Congratulations, Krutika. You're the winner for Miss Mumbai Gujarati Rajasthani 2016. We have our good partners, gift by Charmi Shah, Fashion Be Defined, designer partners. We also have our title sponsors, 18 File Kurtis, and our co-sponsors, Shagufta. Congratulations, Kritika, and have a final winning work. A round of applause for Kritika, everyone.